Hello, good morning. How is everyone doing? Welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts and More. Beginner Gardening Chronicles. This gardening is no joke. It is work. Just know that, but don't give up. You know, I've had the problem with these doggone groundhogs. And they came back out only to destroy one plant, my tomato plants that I did the live on the other day. This one was toppled over. The one that I think is a marigold. You guys say it's tomato, I think it's a marigold. But that one was toppled over, and he didn't even eat the plant. I think he was looking for grubs. So what I have done, and I haven't seen them in a couple days, I don't know if this is working or going to work. They don't like the feel of netting. They don't like the feel of tulle. And this is decorative mesh. I had some rolls down in the basement, and I think it's, I don't know how many inches tall it is, but it was 30 feet, 30 yards. I don't even know. I need to look at the measurements. That's got to be at least, I don't know. It's knee high. So I cut up these 8-foot sticks, cut them down, and I used these Dollar Tree doils. No, they're skewers, the big skewers from the Dollar Tree, and did those in between, and took this mesh all the way down, and so I closed it off right here on that side. They haven't been bothering this bed here, but it's growing back. They ate the outside leaves, but it is growing in the middle. I tied that one up somewhat. The potatoes, sweet potatoes, and then I made another one with the rest of the mesh and covered this side. Although they hadn't been over here, I just covered it anyway because I had that mesh left. Now we have had rain. It's still sprinkling right now. I mean, so much rain that these pots are overlogged. And they have holes in them. So I hope that's just not like too much water. It's God's water, so it should be good. Let me leave them alone. Anyhow, I just wanted to show you what I did for these raunchy, ugly, nappy-head, buck-tooth groundhogs that I have, to see if this helps, if this works, if they'll stay out of my yard. Well, not out of my yard. I know they're not. Out of my food. Out of my food. I thank you for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you have not subscribed to my channel, check me out and see if there's something that you're interested in. It's not just gardening, it's and more. I truly would appreciate it. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. And I've got those greens going on. Have a blessed day, everyone. Peace and love.